In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix DNS errors on my PS5. So what I had to do firstly is to go into settings here, as you can see on my PS5, and then I went into network. And now what I did in here is that I clicked on settings here and I clicked on set up internet connection. And in here you can see the one that you're connected to right now. So what you need to do now is to grab your PS5 controller and click on this button right here. And then click on advanced settings. And now you should be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So on this page you're going to change your DNS settings from automatic to manual instead. And primary DNS needs to be exactly like this. 1.1.1.1 as you can see, and the secondary DNS is 1.0.0.1 as you can see. And now click on OK in the bottom right corner, and you can see it says connecting to the access point now and then connecting to the internet. When this is done, you're going to be able to actually be connected once again into your internet or to your Wi-Fi. So now try once again and hopefully this is going to fix it for you as well.